How to draw Kamek from Mario, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a circle in the center of our page. This will be the eyeglass of Kamek on the right hand side. Nicely done. Next, let's go ahead and draw an additional circle around the one that we just drew together. Great! Now connected to what we just drew, let's go ahead and try a large curved line, which will be the nose. Next, we're going to want to draw an additional curved line attached to what we just made so that we can now make the mouth. So in our drawing, we're going to show one singular tooth, so let's go ahead and draw this tooth by drawing a triangular shape. So now that we have the nose and mouth drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the second eyeglass that will be on top of the nose. We're going to draw this the exact same way that we draw the first by making two circles. Fantastic, so far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the hat that will be on top of Kamek's head. And if you are new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome! We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Also, if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So to finish drawing the face of Kamek, let's go ahead and draw a curved line that will connect from the nose to the hat that we just finished drawing. So now we are all done drawing the face. For the next step, we're going to want to go right below and draw the robe that will be attached to the head and to the hat that we just made together. Now, on the inside of the robe, we're going to want to draw the first arm sleeve and hand that will be coming out of the arm sleeve. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. So now that we have drawn the first arm and hand, we're now going to want to go over a little to the left and draw the second arm and hand. Keep in mind that in this hand, Kamek will be holding a magic wand. On the very top of the wand that we're making, we're going to draw a circular shape that will eventually be colored in completely red. So now that we have the wand drawn, we're now going to want to draw the fingers and hand that will be going around the wand to make it appear as if Kamek is holding it. Last but not least, I'm going to go over my drawing and add in a couple small lines for detail. This is how to draw Kamek from Mario. Thank you for watching How to Draw Hub. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this so then that way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.